Greetings to everyone. I am Anshika Yadav of class 9D of Academy Global School. This is our project that is the modern periodic table. Now let's begin with the invention. So the modern periodic table was invented by Dmitry Mendeleev. He is known as the father of the periodic table. He gave the concept that the elements should be arranged on the basis of their atomic masses. Later on, Henry Moseley redefined his theory and said that elements should be arranged on the basis of their atomic numbers, and hence we can see the modern periodic table. After that, Henry Moseley is known as the father of the modern periodic table.
Now let's talk about the structure and arrangement of modern periodic table. So there are 118 elements in the modern periodic table. There are 18 columns which are known as groups, and there are 7 rows which are known as periods. The modern periodic table is classified into 3 groups, that are metals, non-metals, and metalloids. In the right side here there are metals in the majority, and in the left side there are non-metals, and the zigzag line is known as the metalloids. So the most abundant element in the earth crust is oxygen, in the universe is hydrogen, and on the earth is aluminium.
The periodic table is divided into 4 blocks. The first 2 groups come under the S block. The next 10 groups come under the D block. These 6 groups come under the P block, and these 2 series of elements come under the F block. Now let's talk about some special groups. The first group is of alkali metals. The second is of alkaline earth metals. Likewise, this is the boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, chlorine family, and then the noble gases. This is the F block, which has 2 series of elements. First is the lanthanides and the second is the actinides. The elements in the F block are mostly radioactive. Some facts related to the modern periodic table are: mercury is the only metal which is liquid at room temperature. Bromine is the only non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. The F block is kept separately from the rest of the table to keep it compact. Hydrogen comes in the group 1, but it is not a part of the alkali metals, and its properties are different, and hence it is also called a notorious metal. So that's all, and thank you.